Hey friends, I have a terrific one for you today. I'm going to be creating some Jamaican dishes this week. So this week it's my quick Jamaican rice and peas dish for you today. I'm using it with canned red beans, which actually makes it go a little bit faster. I will have all of your ingredients listed below, so let's get started. So first, I just opened up the can of red beans and I actually put it in a pan and I added, I didn't want to lose any juices or anything in the can, so I rinsed it out. I filled it halfway and then I added that to the beans just so that I would have a little bit more moisture. To that, I've added in 1 whole can of coconut milk and I've added in about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm adding in some seasonings. I'm using some favoRice. I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of celery salt, some pepper, and a little bit of granulated garlic. I will also be adding in there. So I'm going to actually add in some vegetables. So I'm adding in my thyme. I'm adding in the scotch bonnet, but actually that's a habanero because I couldn't find scotch bonnet. I'm also adding in the pimento seeds and I've added in a couple of stalks of green onion that I have just broken in half. Nothing fancy, so it'd be easier to pull it out. So anyway, I'm just going to give this a stir and then I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to get ready to add in the rice. So in the meantime, I'm washing the rice, and you do want to wash your rice, you guys. You want to get off all of that extra starch and stuff that's on the rice. You want to run it underneath cold water until it runs clear as you are washing it off. So this has simmered for about 15 minutes, and as you see, it's cooked down. I'm looking at my liquid and it looks like it's about enough, but I also want to taste my flavoring. So you guys, you should taste as you go along so you can adjust in case it doesn't taste right. So now I'm adding in the rice. And I want to make sure that the water ratio to the rice is about half and half. You want to at least have 2 cups to 1.5 cups of rice. And then I kind of put the lid on at a tilt. So now that it has simmered until the rice is done, I'm looking at it and I'm flaking it up so you can see it. Now I have a lot of pimento seeds. I probably should have pulled those off at the top before I started scraping, and I'm just trying to give you guys a heads up not to do that. And if I kept going, my rice would really be sticking to the bottom of this pan. So I'm definitely turning it off because it's on its way to start sticking. So anyway, I'm going to remove all of the thyme leaves. I'm going to move out those big chunks of the onion, and I'm going to pull out all of the pimento seeds. But guess what, you guys? This peas and rice is done. You cannot beat how fast it is to cook this. I mean, you could be done in 25-30 minutes max on your rice and peas, opposed to having to wait a while for the beans to cook on their own naturally. So anyway, I'm just pulling out all of the excess stuff, and here you guys go. I've plated up the rice and peas. It is light, it's fluffy, it's full of flavor, you guys. It has a little bit of spice, a little bit of heat. If you don't want that, don't put that habanero in there. But thank you for watching my video, and as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.